Hey guys, it's Richard Woodward here, Specialty Lending Manager. So I had Palestine, I don't know which one it is, branch called me the other day talking about renovation home loans, and they hadn't received any training on it. So we're going to do a Zoom training class for them on the 20th. So I thought, why not open it up to everybody else? So I'm going to send you an invitation to a Zoom online webinar. So we're going to talk about renovation home loans, 203Ks, home styles, how they can help you build your business, how you can retain more of your clients, and how you can keep your realtors happy by not referring them to your competition. These home loans are a great way for you to build trust and build additional resources. You can even tap into your past fundings. Clients that closed 3 or 4 years ago that might have a lot of equity, that want to add a pool, want to do some updates. So there's lots of opportunities with renovation home loans, and I'm going to go over all the training, show you how you can print marketing materials, and answer any questions that you might have about renovation home loans. So the webinar is going to be on the 20th from 3 o'clock to about 4 o'clock, 4:30. I'm going to send you a Zoom invitation, so just log on. Let me know that you're there and ask any questions that you might have, and we'll get you that training that you need. I'm also going to include underwriting guidelines and things like that. So look forward to seeing you at the webinar again on this Wednesday, March the 20th, 3 o'clock. Log on a little early, and I hope to see you then. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon.